Welcome back to the channel. Copier Nerd's focus is on helping copier dealers and resellers enhance their customers' experience with industry-leading support and expertise. For more information, or to contact us, please reach out at copiernerds.com. Today we're going to go over how to get rid of the certificate error when logging into a Xerox AltaLink device. The first thing we are going to do is pull up the web interface for a Xerox AltaLink. As you can see, there is a huge potential security alert in your web browser because the device's secure certificate has not been installed on your computer. In all honesty, 99% of the time this error can be ignored, but it is a best practice to install it. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Accept, Risk, and Continue to download the device-specific certificate. Go to Properties, log in with your admin account. Now, choose Security, then Certificates. Select Security Certificate. Then choose Download the Xerox Generic Root Certificate Authority. Choose Save. Make sure you save it somewhere you can remember where it's at, like Downloads. I can hear someone now saying, "This teal color is different than my pretty blue color scheme." This is correct. The steps are exactly the same, but the blue color scheme is on AltaLink firmware 1.14 and lower. I went ahead and recorded the steps for both color schemes. And you thought a tech video was dry and boring? Now let's get into installing the certificate. Let's open up a browser and take a look. As expected, we get an error. This time it says, "Your connection is not private." It just means there is no certificate installed. For this video, I'm going to use Google Chrome to install the certificate. Let's go to Settings. Choose the three dots in the upper right-hand corner. Now go down and select Settings. Within Settings, we need to find Privacy and Security. Then choose Security. Scroll down to and select Manage Certificates. Within Certificates, let's select Trusted Root Certification Authorities. Choose Import. This is going to walk us through adding our device certificate. Choose Next. Now we need to choose Browse and find the certificate we downloaded earlier. Double-click to open it. Choose Next. Make sure Place All Certificates in the following store is selected, and the Trusted Root Certification Authorities is listed, and choose Next. Choose Finish to complete the import. A security warning will pop up, letting you know that Windows can't tell where the certificate is from. We know it's from the device because we downloaded it directly and we can trust it. But if you don't know where a certificate is from, please don't blindly install it. Choose Yes and OK. Before we close out, I want to scroll down so you can see that the Xerox certificate has been installed. Now, go ahead and hit Close. Now that the certificate has been installed, let's open up a web browser and see the difference. Notice we did not get a warning page. We can also see if this browser session is secure. If we dig a little deeper, we can look at the information in the certificate. Everything to my eye looks correct. Now that we are satisfied with that, let's look at the Microsoft Edge browser and see that the certificate is installed on the whole system, not just in Google Chrome. And we see our connection is secure, and no errors popped up. Thank you for watching till the end, and I hope you are confidently able to install a Xerox security certificate now. For any questions, or for help supporting or managing your fleet, reach out to us at copiernerds.com.